In March of 2012, Newton County, Georgia was selected as one of 4 sites in the United States to participate in an initiative to improve outcomes for youth dually involved in the juvenile justice and child welfare systems. The Robert F. Kennedy Children's Action Corps, with support from the MacArthur Foundation's Models for Change initiative, provided technical assistance to our jurisdiction to develop innovative and effective best practices in this reform effort. This has been an ambitious project, and our team has worked very hard to develop creative and effective strategies to provide unified services across multiple agencies, community providers, and the court. The goal is to ensure that this unique population of youth are identified at the earliest possible time and provided the most necessary services from the appropriate provider. These interventions are designed to limit the youth's contact with and further penetration into juvenile justice or child welfare. As a system of care community where providing family-focused, community-based services is a priority, the Newton County Collaborative worked through mobilization and governance development, definition of target population and desired outcomes, identification of priority practices, staff training, launch, and data collection. When our initial data analysis revealed that 56% of our youth with new court referrals had some involvement with child welfare, it became clear that our efforts to address this issue were necessary. Data management and methodology were critical to our success. Strict adherence to documenting our work resulted in a site manual that can be utilized and implemented by any jurisdiction. With local and state level collaboration, the team identified outcomes to include a reduction in juvenile justice and child welfare involvement, improved educational outcomes, reduced detention, increased youth competency, and enhanced connection to the community. Through this work, our community has established structured and thoughtful practice that is designed to identify these youth with multi-system needs. As we continue to implement these practices, we are more and more convinced that this is the best strategy for families and the best strategy for challenging economic times. Our community is honored to be part of the Dual Status Youth Initiative, and we invite you to join us as we work to improve outcomes for our families.